Good morning, guys. You can't even see out my window here. You can partially see out this window. So let's get started, shall we? Oh my god, there's a lot of snow outside. And a lot of drifts. It's crazy. Oh my god, it's very crazy outside right now. As you can see. Oh my god, look at the drift on that house behind me. Holy shit. There's a lot of drifts everywhere, guys. Let me show you what the ones look like at my place. Let's go to the back deck. Whoa, whiteout conditions. Holy shit. Oh, it's crazy outside right now at 8 a.m. Monday morning, February 23rd. All right, now we can go to the side deck. So this is what it looks like over here in this part. All right, 3, 2, 1. You open this and you're gonna see a dark spot at the bottom. Thank God I shoveled last night. Look at that. Ugh. I can't even open up the screen here. Ugh. That's what it looks like. Now maybe if I could just stick the camera out the window, I can really see what this looks like. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's bad. Oh, holy shit, it's bad back here. Well, one thing for sure, I'm glad I shoveled this last night. Oh man, but I got a mountain right here. Oh shit, snow's getting in. Oh my god, that's crazy. I'm definitely glad I shoveled this because now I can just push all the snow over there. Oh my god, this is insane. All right, let's check out the front of the house. You can't even see out the front window. The left or the right. Oh my god. That's the grass. There's a patch of grass that's showing. There's a huge drift over here in front of my front door. That's drifts everywhere. All right, let's open this window. My car doesn't look that bad. Oh geez, someone's walking that dog in this. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. Drifts everywhere. As you can see over here, there's like a drift right in front of my front door. Crazy. And this is what the front door looks like. But if you can see it very clearly, there's a drift, a huge drift in front of my door. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Wow. You can see where I pushed the snow. Oh my god, and my landlord's not even doing anything right now. Once again, I'm gonna have to shovel. Damn it. So this is what it looks like out my bedroom window. And there's a lot of snow out there. Let's see if I can zoom up on the steps right here. Oh yeah, it's bad. Ooh. Yeah, this is bad. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. This is bad. Oh shit, this is really bad. Ah, that's really bad. I can't wait to watch this on the replay now. Oh my god. Yeah, a lot of snow out there, guys. Oh my god. Well, I will be shoveling this out because I'm not doing a damn thing right now. It's fucking 8:18 right now. They should be at it right now. Idiots. Okay, here's the 12:30 update. This is what it looks like so far. Landlord started shoveling stuff out, plowing stuff out. This is what the backyard looks like. Still snowing. All right, let's see what the back deck looks like. I shoveled this out before. It was a little tricky, but I got it done. I can open this up now. Everything's plowed in the back. Got to do some shoveling over here. So much for what I did last night. Oh well, I knew that was going to happen. All right, let's see what the front of the house looks like. A lot of snow. At least the driveway is. At least the landlord started doing the driveway, so that's what it looks like, as you can see. And my passway is done. This is a good thing. Let's see what the front door looks like now. That's a lot better. So I shoveled all this out before, and then he just came in with the snow plow before. So look how nice and neat this is. Goes all the way to the driveway. Stay warm, everyone. Thank you for watching.